But without the vaccine, it's really danger. It spells disaster. So, mask, hugas kamay. Mga bata, wag muna. Yung opening ng classes, that's a very... I will not allow the opening of classes na magdikit-dikit yung mga bata. No? Bahala na hindi na makatapos. For this generation, wala na matapos na doktor pati engineer. Wala. Kasi hindi na wala ng aral. Laro na lang. Unless I am sure that they are really safe. It's useless to be talking about opening of classes. That's for my mind. Para sa akin, bakuna muna. Pag nandiyan ng bakuna, okay na. So, remember that.